Dr. Marcia here with my Summer of Self-Care video series. And today I want to talk again about sleep. I know I've spoken about it before, but it's so very important. And I was thinking about one of my patients, and she's a woman who will often fall asleep on the couch reading or watching television and not fall asleep in her bed. And then she'll wake up on the hard or uncomfortable sofa, and then maybe she'll go to bed in the middle of the night and then try to get back to sleep, but it doesn't really work out that well. So every morning she wakes up and she's tired and she's draggy and she feels kind of in a bad mood, and she wonders why she's always feeling tired and draggy and in a bad mood. And it's obviously because she's not taking care of her sleep. She's not practicing what I call good sleep hygiene. And good sleep hygiene is like any other hygiene. For example, dental hygiene consists of not eating too much sugar, brushing and flossing, and getting regular checkups with the dentist and cleanings at the dentist. But sleep hygiene is not exactly the same, but it's similar in that you have to do the same things over and over again in order to have healthy sleep and then a healthy body and mind. Because one of the things that happens when you're sleeping that you might not know of is that the brain is washed while you're sleeping. There's this fluid in your brain called cerebrospinal fluid, and it washes the brain as you sleep, and it cleanses your brain from toxins, which takes away disease and also removes stress. So you really want to have that effect while you're sleeping of the brain being washed. So sleep is essential for your well-being, emotional and physical, and for your immune functioning. So you need to practice this really good sleep hygiene. And sleep hygiene is very, very simple. It constitutes just a few simple things. Number one, you want to go to bed at the same time every night to sort of train your body into falling asleep at the same time, so that when you lie down in bed, your body already knows this is the time to sleep. The other thing you want to do is not to be overstimulated before you fall asleep, so that you are in a relaxed state and you're able to fall asleep. And that means no scary movies, no upsetting news, and no stimulating videos or anything like that that you watch just before sleep. You also want to turn off your technology about an hour before you go to bed, because the light in your technology goes right into this little gland in the back of your head called the pineal gland. And that's your sleep-wake gland. And if you put this light from your devices into your eyes, it goes right into the pineal gland and it wakes you right up. Obviously, that's not conducive to healthy sleep and good sleep hygiene. So turn off your technology about an hour, maybe 2 hours if possible before bed, so that the light that's going in is natural light or just a light bulb at your bed if you're reading, and that will not wake you up. And then if your mind is racing before you fall asleep, especially these days with COVID-19, there's a couple of things that you can do. The first thing you can do is you can try some meditation, just simple breathing exercises, which I find very helpful. And they consist of just inhaling, counting 1, exhaling. Inhaling, counting 2, exhaling. You go up to 10 and then you start again, and you can do as many rounds of 10 as you want. If you have difficulty sleeping, one of the first things to do is talk to your doctor about it, because they can definitely guide you in the right direction in terms of whether you need to do mindfulness meditation or take medication or go and have a sleep study. But don't forget, sleep is essential. We need to have good sleep, and we definitely need to practice sleep hygiene. It's not good to do like my patient and end up falling asleep on the couch in the middle of reading some upsetting material or watching some upsetting TV and then ending up with nightmares because we've been overstimulated. We need to take our sleep seriously, and if we have good sleep, you're going to have a great summer, a stress-free summer, and really make the best of your time in this beautiful summer. Even with all the restrictions of COVID, you can still have a good summer, work on your projects, connect with your loved ones, and feel well. So take your sleep seriously, practice good sleep hygiene, and I will speak to you soon with the Summer of Self-Care series.